Yes.
This way na lang po and I give you a very short briefing. And kindly take a pictures po sa ating vicinity map para may guide po tayo. And this is our house rules. Okay, this way na lang po. So, bali, scan to your right and turn to your left. Yung QR code po.
Sige po. Sige.
Make sure not to cover the keyboard. Enjoy po, sisters.
Hey. Ay. Hey. We are here at Mount Camisong. Walang pila ate. Afternoon po. Ganda. Wait lang. Ito ko muna. Oh my goodness. Na. Eh. Ganda. Okay. Look at... Uy, gumagalaw. Gumagalaw talaga. Picture tayo, dali. Picture tayo. Wait lang. Tapos na kami sa Alapaa. Kami ay pababa na. Oh, wait, look at the view. Isn't it amazing? I think this is the restaurant. This is the Alapaa dining. Okay. Okay. We're still at Mount Camisong. Galing po. Watch your steps. Ulit. Here's our order. Dalawa lang yung meron sila. Cafe Americano at latte. So, syempre, latte order namin. Nice. Ay, yung nag-auto-zoom siya. Yan. May charging station for your electric vehicle. Sakay na kami. Ay, hiningal ako. Okay. Kami ay, I think uwi na.